Hey guys, welcome to new video. ORDINATEUR here. In today's video I got some very nice stuff which I find on my scrapyard hunt. This is AMSTRAD ordinator personal courier 64 kilobait. 64 kilobait. I don't know it's actually what this stuff means, but probably you will know. Yeah, so for me this is just some type of the, I don't know, keyboard, some game radio keyboard. So this is definitely very strange stuff. First time in my life I see that. Yeah, so it's just got some tape part here. It's already broken. Got normal keyboard. Got some connector here like all the games. So definitely got some cool stuff inside. Let's see. Let's open that and see what we can find inside. Okay. So across screws. This will be very fast scrap video. I always take that stuff when I see that on the scrapyard. I always tag that because I love to open some stuff which is not that pretty common. Okay, so, ooh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So this is a tape part. Let's remove that. So okay, let's first remove that board. This is definitely some old games board. And yeah, this is some aluminum, some old very simple game boards. So here we got some CPU, but CPU is just plastic one. Yeah, this is the CPU. I'll show you something. When I remove that past, you can see actually on the CPU you got the name of this machine, AMSTRAD. Very, very cool. And here we got more one plastic IC chip. This is the CPU too. You can see actually CPU. So this is the CPUs. It's actually, this stuff is very good for gold recovery because inside contains some nice gold bonding wire. Okay, so on the other side nothing there. I already see that. So let's see what we have on this board. So we got that finger. It looks like just tin, maybe palladium, but probably it's just a tin finger. Some gold, no, just base metal connector there. One crystal. Couple of that gray silver capacitor, and very nice amount of the two-side leg ITs. Not bad. So very decent board. Okay, so let's see, it's already broken, so I will broken that too. I will leave that for the end. It's probably like a normal old keyboard. So it's not worth to resell that because it's already be broken. You see that on the beginning, all the plastic is broken, and see that on the rain for who knows how much time. So definitely I cannot sell that. Okay, some very small, some waste plastic here. Some cables and one LED diode microboard. Okay, let's see how is the keyboard. Okay, very nice piece of steel. Like I said already, these big pieces of steel is very good for copper cementation from old waste solutions. So I keep that. And here we got some very nice mylar. Very nice mylar, very nice silver traces. Of course, here we got no one, we got two mylar. I just need to, I just need to separate that. But you got two mylar, one next to each other. You see? Yeah, right now. Okay, so here is just a keyboard, and this keyboard is just worthless, just some plastic, nothing there. Okay, so let's see the tape. This is just like a tape part, nothing from the radio, nothing there too much. Okay. Okay, let's see some very small board, some cables, one IC, and here we got one relay. It's actually one relay with a silver or palladium contact and one small black IC there. And let's see what we have here. This part is just similar like normal radio, tape radio, so a couple of cables, a lot of base metal there, some switch, possible silver plating. These types of switch contain only silver plating, not contact, so nothing too much there. And definitely no tape inside. Yeah, so when I remove that switch, all this stuff go in the scrap metal. Okay guys, so this is just a short video about this stuff. You see, nothing too much beside that. Two side leg ICs, very good one. Okay, so definitely I got more that strange stuff for you. On that scrapyard I find a lot of funny and cool stuff which you cannot see every day, so I take that. Okay, and I will open that together with you, because for me also the first time to open something like that. Okay, so guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you soon in the next video. Save scrap, make gold, have fun, and until that next video, friend out. Cheers.